welcome all of you on platform of Your PD Education, the platform which is preparing you holistically for your career. You see, in career, this group discussion is something which is very important. Whether you are a student in college seeking for placements later on, or you are seeking seat on higher education in management courses like NEET, IIMS, etc., or you are going for public sector. So everywhere you may come across this group discussion, and in my opinion, even the jobs which private sector industries is going to open up through iPaid, there also group discussion may be integral part. Now you are watching the daily series of group discussion on our channel, and you must be knowing that almost every day we are having online group discussion with students all over India. In that, some of the old students who are already in PSUs or NITI Bombay and all, and they come regularly for that group discussion for their further growths, and you can also join and learn from them. So you can contact on this number, and you can fill the Google form attached below, and as and when the slot is available, you will get the call from executive. Now this today's topic which I am going to discuss is lethargy during COVID. So whenever a topic is given to you, I tell you first thing you should do is how to introduce, and for introduction you should think what can be the different perspective of this topic. ये topic को मैं कैसे divide कर सकता हूँ, इसका structure क्या बना सकता हूँ, because that is what you are going to see in the group discussion. So you can always say, okay friends, good evening friends, my name is Sameer, and I take the opportunity, I initiate the discussion. Friends, the topic given for the discussion is lethargy during COVID-19. Yes, it is a very relevant topic, friends, and it is being observed in household. This is a household problem, and every house it is being observed. There is a lethargy. So friends, lethargy in my opinion is just nothing but inertia. I will be discussing this entire topic in two perspectives. Lethargy or inertia can be physical or body, or it can be mental or related to mind. When you are in the state of inertia, friends, in my opinion, I can think of as engineer first law of Newton, which is a law of inertia. It says then that you are in state of rest, you are in a state of rest, you are in state of motion, you will remain in state of motion. The inertia of rest is something which is in lethargy. So nowadays, because of the shutdown, when government forced everyone to be inside the house, stay in house. So the meaning of stay in house means limit yourself from the physical movement. Do not go for physical movement. So this bodily or physical lethargy was largely because of a shutdown. So you are not to socialize. You are to basically restrict yourself physically. You are not to move. So physical restriction in the movement was because of basically this COVID-19. Not spreading the virus should be prevented, and this was done. But who stopped you from mental or mind activities? You are mentally also stopped, or what? So this was the repercussion of this only. Because of all this, when jobs were not there, jobs or schools were shut down, everything was shut down. So you are not active. Now you are not active mentally also. Because there are no targets to meet, there are no exams to be basically faced now, and mentally also you went into lethargy. So there is no targets. If you tell a student that your exam will not be there this year, next year, the student will stop putting effort in that direction also. So mentally also inertia came in the people. That is the another part of this particular lethargy. Schools, these people are not going to schools, they are not going to, and because of this lethargy, there is a physical health issues also. Physical health issues also started coming, and because of the mental, because you are not channelizing your energies, you are not channelizing your energy in the right direction. Earlier you were channelizing your energy on exams. Now you are channelizing your energy on, let's say, playing the video games, or on watching some kind of sports, digital sports. So you are channelizing your energies in different directions, watching a lot of Netflix movies, or you are not using that. So this is in the wrong direction. Your energy is being channelized, because physically you can stop yourself, mentally you cannot stop yourself. So mind will go in some direction. If not in positive, it will go in negative direction. So that is another part. So because of this, yes, lethargy has come, and it has negative impact on your health, mental health also. And when you start thinking, if not in positive direction, you start thinking in negative direction. And when you think in negative direction, that leads to depression. So why depression is coming? Let me explain you that. Depression is not the phenomena related to physical restriction of movement. Depression is related to the mind movement in wrong direction. So your mind, which earlier was to move in positive direction, now it is moving in the wrong direction, and hence there is a cases of depression. So the impact of lethargy is physical health is also getting deteriorated and mental health is also going to deteriorate. So friends, in my opinion, solution for that is you should practice yoga, meditation, these kind of things, even if sitting inside the house, and you should find out something constructive for you. There are digital modules of learning available to you. Online classes are also going to for students, etc. So you have to channelize your energy on that. As I told you, after the discussion, you should always find the solution. If there is a problem, what is the cause of the problem and what can be the solution of that problem, that also you have to discuss at the end. So that will give you holistic discussion. Okay friends, lethargy means what kind of lethargy? Physical and mental. Okay, what is the cause of that? Cause is shutdown. Cause is if you don't use your mind in the positive direction, it will run in the negative direction. Okay, what will be the repercussion of that? Physical health problem, mental health problem, depression. Okay, what can be the solution? Yoga, meditation, think of what you will learn, optimism, hope. That is how you have to do. And then end way you can conclude this way. You can always say, okay friends, we had a discussion, some people said this, some people said that. In my opinion, this is how it is going to be. And as I say after end of every topic, GD is not about knowledge, though you should have some points. GD is all about practice. You need to do practice. It is a very simple domain. You need to do practice. Practice will make you perfect. I hope it helped you. Keep revising with us every day GD topic. Thank you.